Hey guys, for all of those who couldn't attend to our meeting in Zoom, here goes the explanation of that exercise we did. Para todos aquellos que no pudieron entrar en la clase de Zoom, aquí está el video de lo que hicimos en esa clase. It's quite easy, so pay attention and let's try to do it. It's the exercise 14 from the book Math Makes Sense 9. Here we have it, and let's read it. It says, estimate whether each sum is greater than or less than 0. Explain how you know. Lo que nos está diciendo en español es, estima si una de las sumas va a dar mayor que 0 o menor que 0. Y explica cómo lo sabes. Y para ello, haz tus cálculos para verificar tus predicciones. I'm going to give you a hand with exercise C. And then we will do it with one of those with decimals. So let's start. We have minus 7/3 plus 17/5. Tenemos menos 7 tercios sobre 17 quintos. And those 17/5 are inside a parenthesis. Don't worry about it. No se preocupen por él. It's doing nothing there actually, because the fraction 17/5 is positive, and outside the parenthesis you also have a positive. Positive multiplied by positive, it's positive. That's it. No se preocupen por ese paréntesis, en realidad es un distractor, no viene a hacer nada en particular, ya que 17 quintos dentro del paréntesis está positivo, y afuera tenemos un positivo esperando, positivo por positivo, positivo. Now we have two fractions with different denominator, so we must find the least common denominator. Debemos hallar el múltiplo común denominador de 3 y 5, which is 15. El múltiplo común menor de 3 y 5 es 15. So we write two fractions with 15 as a denominator. Escribimos dos fracciones con 15 como denominador. Don't forget to put a negative here and positive there. You have to keep the signs. Tiene que conservar los signos. Okay, so we must ask ourselves, 3 multiplied by what number becomes in the 15? The answer is 5. Uno debe preguntarse, 3 multiplicado por qué número da 15, la respuesta es 5, 3 por 5, 15. And we must do the same with the numerator. Ya que multiplicamos al denominador por 5, al numerador también. 7 times 5 is 35. Alright, now, 5 multiplied by what number gives us 15? The answer is 3. 5 multiplicado por 3 nos da 15. And we must do the same with the numerator. And 17 multiplied by 3 is 51. Now we have two fractions with the same denominator. We place that denominator, colocamos ese denominador, and just write the numerators. Minus 35 plus 51. Oh, sorry. 51. There we have it, and these are different numbers with different signs, so we must subtract. Son números con distintos signos, se debe entonces restar. El resultado nos quedaría 16 quinceavos, 16 15. Okay, is this result greater or less than 0? The answer is greater than 0. La respuesta es que es mayor que 0. Why is it that? Because it's a positive fraction. ¿Por qué sé que es mayor que 0? Porque es una fracción positiva. Todo número, sea fracción o entero, que sea positivo, es mayor que 0. Entonces, vamos a hacer uno de los que son decimales, which in my opinion are easier than this. There. Okay, I'm gonna give you a hand with the B, 12.94, which, by the way, was splendidly done by Marina. In our meeting in Zoom, Marina did it great. Okay. The first thing I want you to do in this kind of exercises is transform the decimals into fractions. Lo que me gusta que siempre hagan en este tipo de ejercicios, ya que estamos con racionales, es transformar esos decimales en fracción. How do we do that? We write all the digits, escribimos todos los dígitos without a point, and we write a 1 with so many zeros as decimals has the original numbers. Colocamos tantos ceros al lado de ese 1 como decimales tenga el número original. Then we have plus, minus, 1,256, 100, sorry. Colocamos 1256 sobre 100. Okay, now we have two signs separated by a parenthesis right here. We must multiply them. 1,294, 100, and positive multiplied by negative, it's negative. Más por menos, ¿verdad? Menos. 1,256, 100. Okay, we have the same denominator. We place it once again, 100, and we write the numerators. Escribimos los numeradores, 1,294 minus 1,256. When we subtract that, the answer is 38. Cuando restamos eso, el resultado nos da 38. Okay, but before we finish, antes de que terminemos, we have an original exercise with decimals, so the answer at the end must be in decimals. Ya que teníamos el ejercicio originalmente en decimales, transformemos este resultado fraccionario en decimal. How do we do that? Okay, we have a 1 with 2 zeros, right? So we must move the point 1 and 2 places. The answer is 0.38. And that's it. Ahí termina el ejercicio. Fíjense que en el que era de fracciones lo terminamos como fracción y ahí quedó. En el que era decimales lo transformamos en fracciones y lo volvimos a transformar al final en decimal. Now, is this number greater or less than 0? The answer is greater than 0 because it's positive. Okay, that will be all for this video. I hope you could understand it and try to do exercise A and D on your folders. Goodbye.